It has never been more important to develop the skills inherent in entrepreneurship. If you have a business idea and want to launch your own venture, join a founding team, or become a corporate innovator, the Conestoga College Center for Entrepreneurship is here to support you. Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day and are excited for this video. Today we're going to talk about the Conestoga Entrepreneurship Collective and how you can utilize this free resource to work towards your entrepreneurial goals. My name is Shafali, I'm a social media ambassador, and this is Experiencing Conestoga. The Conestoga Entrepreneurship Collective is a multi-industry initiative that empowers and inspires students to develop new business ideas and become corporate innovators. And the Entrepreneurship Collective team is a network of faculty, mentors, entrepreneurs, and organizations that are committed to supporting the entrepreneurial potential within the Conestoga community. Conestoga community members can choose from multiple pathways within the Entrepreneurship Collective. They offer a range of educational opportunities, resources, and events that provide ways for you to start your entrepreneurship journey. They have created several lab experiences exclusively for Conestoga students, recent graduates, and alumni to engage in entrepreneurship initiatives. So let's talk a little bit more about these labs. Number 1, the Venture Lab. Venture Lab is Conestoga's own business incubator designed to support the development of early-stage startups. It provides free coaching and mentorship from accomplished entrepreneurs and industry experts. Number 2, the Gig Lab. It is one-of-a-kind business incubator just for freelancers. The program is designed to equip new and early-stage freelancers with the skills, mindset, and resources to flourish in the gig economy. Number 3, Sales Lab. The most in-demand career in the Waterloo region innovation economy is professional B2B sales. This lab is the finishing school for the sales leaders of tomorrow. So if you're passionate about sales, this is the right place for you. Every lab or program within the Entrepreneurship Collective requires completion of an application form for entry and program participation. And if you are a full-time or part-time Conestoga student, a recent graduate, or an alumni of Conestoga within 5 years of graduation, you are eligible to apply. There are many educational opportunities in the collective. Firstly, the Entrepreneurship Co-op. If you're currently enrolled in a co-op degree or a diploma program at Conestoga, the Entrepreneurship Co-op provides an opportunity to dedicate your work term to the development of a new business idea. And secondly, the Scotiabank Startup Students Workshops. These free workshops are offered every term and are a great way to start your entrepreneurial journey. Visit the website to explore what's included in these programs and how you can apply. If you wish to receive further updates regarding the programs and the events in the collective, you can also sign up for their newsletter. Furthermore, if you have any questions regarding the Conestoga Entrepreneurship Collective, feel free to send an email on this address. That's all for today. I hope you find this information useful. See you next time with another exciting video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.